A judge has denied the request for a gag order in Charles Severance's Loudoun County gun case, and that's not the only important decision that's going to be made in court this week. Northern Virginia Bureau Chief Jeff Goldberg is live in Leesburg tonight. He's got a look at what happens next in this very closely watched case. Jeff?
Certainly is, Leon. Charles Severance being held right now in jail without bond. His attorney will argue tomorrow in court that he should be let out on bail until the trial. Today in court, Severance's attorney making the case that no one involved with this case should be allowed to speak with the media, but the judge disagreed. Somewhat ironically, Loudoun County Commonwealth's attorney Jim Plowman made no comment following a judge's decision denying a gag order in the case of Charles Severance, who remains in jail in Loudoun on felony gun charges. But in the motion for the gag order, Severance's attorney Ed Ungvarsky argues that media attention has unfairly tied Severance to the unsolved Alexandria murders of Nancy Dunning, Ron Kirby, and Ruth Ann Lodato. Ungvarsky writes that coverage has been pervasive, continuous, and prejudicial, adding, Mr. Severance looks significantly different than the police sketch of the suspect. He blames Alexandria Mayor Bill Ewell for swiftly calling Severance a person of interest in the murders, and Wheeling, West Virginia prosecutor Scott Smith for misidentifying Severance as a suspect, even though Alexandria police have yet to name one. Ungvarsky also criticizes Plowman for comments made last month following a court hearing.
We work together with Alexandria in this and many other cases as we work with Fairfax and Fauquier and Prince William.
Saying that he hazardously linked this case and the Alexandria murder cases. In court today, Plowman responded, that's an absolutely false claim. That can be found nowhere. And the judge siding with the prosecution when it comes to that motion. Late today, we got to look at the bond motion that's going to be argued in court tomorrow by Severance's defense attorney. He argues that Charles Severance is not a flight risk, that he should be allowed out and be allowed to stay with his parents in Fairfax County. The attorney also arguing that Severance is being held on charges based on weak and inaccurate circumstantial evidence. More on that tomorrow afternoon. Live in Leesburg, Jeff Goldberg, ABC 7 News.